In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. I'll use a cube to create a rough draft robot mesh. In edit mode, Ctrl+R to add a loop cut, and let's remove the left side of the mesh. I'll use more loop cuts to divide the mesh, in order to create body part by extruding the selected faces. Please use as low details as possible, because we're only using this mesh to show the AI the final scene's overall look. Let's mirror the mesh, render it, and send it to Stable Diffusion after adding a ground plane. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Let's send this result to image for the AI to work further on the details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.